What's up, MT gang? We're back with another video today, another Lego video. Today we're making a garbage truck. If you guys didn't see the first video, go back one video. We made a police car out of Legos, so go check that out. It's pretty cool. Played with some of the editing, a lot of music in that video, but it's a really cool video. So let's get into this video. I'll probably be just like the last video where we speed it up so you guys don't have to see, because it takes like an hour to make. I wanted to play with the other one, with the police car, but literally guys, right after we built that, Max started playing with it and everything fell apart, and we can't find anything. We can't even find the policeman. Let me show you guys real quick. So this is literally what's left of that Lego car that we built on the first one. Nothing's on the inside. Where's the policeman? Huh? I don't know either. The hood is gone. The steering wheel is gone. The roof, the windshield. I don't know where it went. Do you know where it went? I don't know. I know. I mean, it looks pretty cool. It's a convertible now. But let's get right into this video, guys. Thank you guys again. Alright, we'll see you in the video. Alright.
It's a long way forward, so trust in me. I'll give them shelter like you've done for me. And I know you'll be watching over us until you're gone.
Alright, we got all our trash in the trash bin. It comes with the little trash can. And then let's dump it out and see what we got. In the trash can, we got some fish. We got a carrot. We got some, I think it's grapes. We got a banana. Oh, the dump truck is dumping his load. Oh, good job. All right, let's load up the dump truck. Let's put everything in the dump truck. Let's put everything in the dump truck. All the trash. It comes with a little dumpster. We lost the tire. Let's put everything in the dump truck. This is the finished dump truck. Look at that. And the cool thing is, you can unload it, and it actually unloads. Oh, that's so cool, huh, Max? Good job. High five.
If I could take you up in boom boom bosh, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I ding dong, plans would come true. And I ding dong, spend my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Yeah. And I ding dong, lang lang lang, boom boom, ba ba ba. Yeah. And I ding dong, lang lang lang. Take you up in boom boom bosh, boom boom. Tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. And I think I'm glad you come true.